Hello friends, I am Yogesh Kumar Deshmukh, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Department of Bharati College of Engineering Technology, Durg. Today we are going to solve a problem related to 2-degree planar manipulator arm using DH notations and also using algorithm. Okay, that obtain the position and orientation of a tool point P with respect to base of 2-degree freedom and RP planar manipulator as shown. This is the figure. In this x direction is the y direction. Here we have to find out how many number of joints first of all, and how many of links. Okay, so there is link 0 fixed, link 1 this one, and this link 2 end effector. This is the tool point. Okay, and this is moving like displacement d2. This is prismatic joint and this is revolute joint. Okay, two types of joint we have learned, revolute and prismatic joints. Let's see. When using algorithm, we find that z-axis will be like that, and x is in the vertical and y is in the motion direction for this joint at link 0. Okay, this x0, y0, z0. This is frame 0. Okay, then another frame will be for this link 1. Okay, in this link 1, what it says that the z0 is always in this this joint is this link, this link 1. The z-axis will be in perpendicular direction of x0, x direction. Okay, hence the position of z-axis will be changed as this will be moving like that. Okay, as it's twisted with theta angle. If z-axis is twisted theta angle, then position will be changed here only. And that for link 2, this is in the sliding motion d2. So hence d2, after d2 displacement, z1 is positioned at z2, y1 is positioned at y2, and x1 is positioned at x2. So forming table for link I1 and 2, AI will be always 0 as it's the revolute joint, and this is for prismatic joint. Okay, then alpha, here it's rotated how much angle? 90 degree. Z2 to Z0 to Z1, 90 degree. Okay, and what about x? It's a constant at 0 degree, no rotations. Di, this position it's 0 displacement, but at this from 1 to 2 there is a rotation of d2, motion of displacement of d2. Okay, then theta initial position, it will be rotated at theta 1. Okay, this is rotated at theta 1. The displacement variables are, in first it is theta 1 and in second position it's d2. Okay, then c cos I will be c theta 1, s cos I will be s1, and this is where theta is 90. Okay, is 0, cos 0 will be 1 and sin 0 will be 0, and cos alpha value is 90 degree, cos 90 will be 0, and cos 0 will be 1, and sin 90 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. Okay, here then we will form the matrix, which will be followed by this transportation matrix. Okay, from I minus 1 to I. Okay, I minus 1 means higher order to lower order. If it's 0, link 0, and it is a link 1, then 1 to 0. Okay, then it will form c theta I, s theta I 0 0 minus s theta I c alpha I, c theta I c alpha I. In this formulate the matrix. After putting the values of theta values and alpha values, okay, and di values, we get for first link 0 to t1, we will get this. Okay, c1 s1 and this matrix. For another 0 to 1, we are solving this, get these values, and 1 to 2, after putting the values for 1 to 2, we will get this matrix. So hence the final transportation matrix will be 0 t2. What it means? 0 t1 into 1 t2. Okay, with putting the values, we get this matrix formation. The overall transposition is equal to the end effector of transformation matrix. What is the end effector of transformation matrix? In 4x4 matrix, nx, ny, nz 0, ox, oy, oz 0, ax, ay, az 0, dx, dy, dz 1. Okay, in substituting all the values, this is the equation 1. The kinetic model can also be expressed in the equation form as this nx will represent the value c1, ny is s1, nz is 0, is that all the values we get equal to these values. Okay, in this 1 and 2 equations, equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, the orientation and position of tool points can be computed. Okay, for taking one example, theta 1 is 120 degree and d2 equal to 200 mm. After putting in transformation matrix, we get all the value 120 degree, we will get this matrix. This is the final position of the end effector for theta 1 equal to 120 degree and d2 equal to 200 mm. Okay, thank you.